Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Tuff, and I'm back with another video. Period. So I'm about to make some vegan sloppy joes. I was about to say mother effing joes. Okay. This is my first time making vegan sloppy joes, so I'm hoping it comes out right. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. Got my vegan meats on deck. I'm gonna put these vegetarian baked beans inside the meat because I just love the way this tastes, and I want it to be like extra filling. And I'm gonna add some onions because I like onions, and I'm gonna put some ketchup, barbecue sauce, a little mustard, just a little taste, and that's it. And I'm gonna have some french fries on the side. I have that in my air fryer right now, and I also have some frozen broccoli that I'm just gonna put some salt, pepper, yeah, some salt, pepper, that's it, and hook that up real quick. So come watch me. Don't be shy. Come watch me. Okay, y'all. So I have some butter in the pan, and I'm just gonna put my crumbles in there. I have two different kinds. And once I do that, I'm going to add my onions, and then I'm gonna stir it up or mix it up, whatever. And then I'm gonna put my seasonings in there. Y'all, this was my first time making this, and when I tell you, it was so easy, so quick, and so freaking delicious. It was so good. I ate another sandwich later on that day because it was that good. Everybody loved it. The children loved it. And I haven't made sloppy joes and I think since Ali and Jahad were little. So this was Jaden and Jayla's first time having sloppy joes, and Jayla didn't want to taste it at first because she was like, it looks nasty, I don't want to taste it. But she's a mess. But when she finally did decide to taste it, she loved it. It was really good. And I really like this vegan meat because you can't even really tell that it's vegan. Like, that's how good it is. Once you just season it to your liking, you can't even tell the difference. So yeah, I'm just mixing it all together, and I'll pour the vegetarian beans in, and then I'm gonna add all the goodness that goes in there. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of some barbecue sauce to give it that little extra little kick, you know what I'm saying? And right now the kitchen is smelling so delicious. My mouth was literally watering. I could not wait to eat this. I knew it was just gonna be the bomb. So now I'm just adding some black pepper, and then I'm gonna add some lemon pepper to my broccoli. I couldn't find the salt. I didn't have time to be looking around, so I just added some lemon pepper to it, and it was really good. I'm just mixing that all together. Adding a little butter to that thing so it could give it the flavor that I like. And so now I'm just putting some butter in the pan because I'm about to toast my buns, because that's how I like to do it. I like for my bread to be soft and that buttery, toasty kind of taste. So that's what I'm doing right here. And the food is almost ready, baby. It's almost ready to get in that thing. You feel me? Oh yeah, so I add cheese to mine because that's the way I like it. And it was the bomb. I wish I would have added another piece on top, but that was good enough. So now I'm just plating my plate because your girl getting ready to throw down. You feel me? You cannot tell me that don't look good. Okay, y'all. So I'm push out back some. I'm so excited to try this. My mouth is watering. Okay. Hot. That's good. And you can even, oh my God, I will put this with some fries with some cheese on top. Oh my God. This is the bomb. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go. Enjoy my food. Probably watch a movie with the children. And I'll see y'all in the next video.